Jen Nierva and no Zacarandang for Cheritigo. To the quick, Mondoñedo was there. Gonzaga. It's just a veteran move.
Yeah.
Wag na lang daw muna, sabi ni Coach Jelly.
Oo, parang, or baka medyo late na yung call nila for a challenge kaya hindi na yun in honor ng ating first referee.
Gonzaga checked at the net. Aragalang from the right pin.
Off the block. Galang.
According to Sam's report, the wingers really bought in more in that last game as we're seeing early on here.
Try take a look at that again. Reverse set.
Such a joy to watch to find Aragalang become this explosive once again.
That's right. Parang ngayon natin nakikita yung UAAP days ni Aragalang.
Iba yung talon niya talaga eh.
Oh, what a serve!
What a serve!
Good target in the short ball. That's Jovelyn Gonzaga getting her first service ace for this match. Bago niya iset yung bola.
And now Cloan, speaking of, has a full front line, up by 2. The toss to Ces Robles, dug by Angeles. Arroyo elevates.
Oh, nice defense.
Great defense there for Aragalang. And so we continue. We look for the combination play.
Combination.
Ang humatak dun sa combination na yun is si Thea Gagate. Dahil ang ganda ng approach.
Lunag in the game for the first time. Jov Gonzaga. Automatic.
A better opposite hit by Jov Gonzaga. Dahil yung start ng first set, parang medyo kinakapapa niya.
You serve it to Arroyo. Troncoso goes drop. The dive. The set. The hit. Aragalang will score here for the Cheritigo crossovers. Not the best of receives. Gonzaga from the back line. What can she not? And off we go. Bikar serving. Let's see how Bikar can switch things up. Gonzaga met by a triple block. Lunag bump set. Galang from the opposite side. Gagate now serving. A sharp serve. Combination play.
Oh!
Intelligent play for the great Aragalang.
And she was not able to perform at her best. She felt that she had more to prove and show what she's got. So I asked Jeannie what she thinks of Cherry today, and she said na talagang palaban ang kalaban nila ngayon. So with the help of the coaches, she said they need smarter hits.
Really placing it perfectly here.
Oh, good save.
Great hustle there for Zeus. Chance ball. Galang with the push. Versosa will play secondary setter, but Gonzaga will score.
Grabe yung effort na yun ng Thunderbells to save that defense.
Talaga sa kanya, sharing the wealth.
Agree.
Because 5 players are closing in double figures.
As early as now, kakastart pa lang natin ang second set.
Gonzaga off the block. Bikar. Aragalang drop ball.
Smart drop ball there by Aragalang. Again, if you look at the defense of Zeus Thunderbells, yung position nila, talagang naka-atras, waiting for strong hits.
Gagate now serving. Lunag. Bikar. Robles. And, oh, it's still alive. Maranyo will play center. A back set to Ces. Chai saves it. Gamit. But Nunag was there to cover. Nice rally we have ongoing. Jovelyn Gonzaga.
Medyo running hit na yun on the opposite from Jov Gonzaga. Adjusting to that set from Thea Gagate.
So Gagate is still serving here. Bump set. Robles goes drop. They've been working on that play. Free ball for the crossovers. Alina Bikar. To the middle. Not yet, says Cloan.
Tight set.
Tight.
Oh, it's inside. During that last sequence.
And so we are at set point. Aragalang from the open. Long cross court.
Dahil may mini run ang Cheritigo, but this time let's see what Cheritigo will do.
Mondoñedo opting for Gonzaga. Troncoso goes drop ball.
That was
Vicar
too
was
high.
there. Lunag bump set. It's close. And the ball is kept in play by Galang. Gonzaga putting it down, ending set number 2.
That was a good run by the crossovers, but a finish by...
Zeus Coffee up 2 sets to love here. Aragalang blocked, but blocked out of bounds. And Pauline's opposite in this set. Yun na yung transition ni Pauline ulit back to her OG position. Galang was there at the net. And a better start to Cherry Tigo, which is...
That their mindset for today is hindi pwedeng mangyari ulit ang nangyari against Petrogas. She shared that they've been working on polishing their movements, minimizing...
And right now they are up by 3. Mondoñedo back set to the opposite side. Vicar with the coverage. Adorador covered as well. Troncoso sending over a free ball. Vicar. That one was blocked. They go to Gaston from the opposite side. That one was dug. Here comes a joust, and Jovelyn Gonzaga winning that battle.
Smart hit again from Jove Gonzaga.
Response by Zeus Coffee right now. Cherry Tigo clinging to a 2-point lead. And we've seen the adjustment so far work for Gaston. But that time, it's Jovelyn Gonzaga again.
Yeah, with the cross-court hit of Jove Gonzaga.
Another sharp serve for Maraño. Santiago. Aragalang looking for the back zone. But it's out of bounds. Aragalang saying, so 2 points for Kate Santiago. As we are tied at 13. Galang! Hello! Good evening.
That's Aragalang with a strong cross-court hit.
Daniel, serve.
Fed the floor. The toss to Galang. Juju Angeles. Bump set to Kate Santiago. Sweeping is Adorador. Galang again. Met by a wall. Galang one more time. This time goes down the line.
Changing the direction again, getting 2 points advantage ang Zeus Coffee.
Nabor.
What a defense!
What about that big Jovelyn Gonzaga? Not giving any inch. Galang will try again, and this time makes sure.
I like that angst of Aragalang. Kanina, ang ganda nung pinalo niya down the line, but Jove Gonzaga...
Gamit has been limited as well. Misreceived service ace for Aragalang. And another great start here for the crossover. Sam Corrales is ready for a report. Sam, what's going on? So 4 serving 2. Tough serve there. Tough back set. Gonzaga. Another one of those variations.
That was not the first time na nakita natin yung mga not over hits na yon na mga quick attackers nila.
Combination play dug by Ara. Shaya sending a free ball. Arroyo, Mondoñedo, Gonzaga. Covered at the net. So they go to the other side. Naiangat pa yun. Adorador. Block. Back row. What a rally we have here. Chai Troncoso on the drop ball. Gaston from the back. Gonzaga will try again, and that time gets the point on the cross-court kill.
This will be hard for Zeus Coffee kung puro...
Another big game for Chai Troncoso with 16 points. This is her, I believe, 4th straight game in double figures. A high bump set for Galang, and Galang on the elevation, clear for a takeoff.
Parang sobrang comfortable ni Ara on the open. Mas gamay niya yung pwesto na to.
Good first ball. Labor, the setup. Galang. Covered by Troncoso. Free ball. Rodriguez playing setter. The push. Gamit will reach. Gagate will set. Over though. Rodriguez. No. Galang. No. And scores though. Interesting turn of events.
Oo.
Better receive that time. Combination play. Straight. to the bleachers behind me and Paneng. There's Aragalang closing in on what is yet another 20-point game.
Grabe yung game ni Aragalang.
Another nice receive. Gonzaga going for the open spot in the back zone.
Mga veteran moves na yan. We saw it first from
Mondoñedo. Big adjustment, but somehow, some way,
Serve.
better first ball. Chang Abi, that won't convert. Arroyo goes cross. Jasnabor, quick to Galang, drop ball. Arroyo coming out of nowhere. And the push. And the set. And Aragalang with a hit. And it's alive. So we continue. Jasnabor back to Aragalang. Signature move.
super signature move by Aragalang. Grabe, ang dami na nating nakikitang ganyang open hits from her. Take a look at that cross court at didiin niya sa down the line.
4 away.
Oh, what a
Sharp
serve.
They've been giving it to Galang. Galang again. Mondoñedo adjusts. Gonzaga running. Jasnabor to Ces Robles. Cloan Mondoñedo. Chai Troncoso dug by Nunag. Nabor, another setup for Robles. Binalik. Nabor, one more try. Opts for the tip. Gonzaga putting it down. Jovelyn Gonzaga gives Zeus Coffee back-to-back wins. And who else to finish it off, Paneng?
Of course, it's their veteran and their adage of Gonzaga, but grabe naman yung